Good evening. This is Pradeep from Trading Clan. Happy to see you all in this video. In this video, we are going to review our predictions. Today morning, we made the predictions video and published on morning 6 o'clock. And the two way the market can go and hit the target like that we was thinking. We expected in the downside, and we made the expected targets also. The bank nifty can go in downside and hit in downside like that we was expected. And look at the last picture, what is the reality happened. See, as like our prediction, the market went and we made a very good profit in our full team. And now we will move on our results. So this is the results what we made on our trades. We bought the bank nifty 35800 at 143 rupees, and we sold it 236 rupees, but it went to 659 rupees. We might getting 528 points, but we booked only 96 points. In the second trade, we took one more trade in put order itself. 35500 PE was taken at 48 rupees, and we booked around 260 rupees, but the trade went to 360 rupees as a max. 220 points we covered. Maximum points 360 was the opportunity. 212 points we covered. In the first trade we covered 69% of profit. In the second trade we covered 452%. It's a very huge percentage. Not only me, all our group members, we are having on our family group, the group name called Trading Clan. In that group, a lot of people are there. So all some of the people have taken the trades, and all we covered very good profits, and we all are very happy. This is our execution page. We fetched very good profit as a team. And today we are going to see in different mode the review. It's a live trading review, and what are the discussions we made in the live in that group, in that WhatsApp group. That's what I posted in that video. So it might be interested to some people, it might not be interested to some people, but so willing people can have a look. This is a very interesting points. Each and every moment we was discussed, and we was holding the trades. So you can have a look on the WhatsApp views, and you can get some idea. Now this is the web-based WhatsApp browser. So today morning we was seeing the candles, and we made the stop loss level above 35, 780 rupees, and we saw that there is a opportunity for us, and we entered our trade at 140 rupees, 35800 PE, and we was holding the trade. We see the market, and we was having lot of discussions. Each and every discussions I cannot read and explain, so you can have a look. So what are the discussions we was made it, you can come to know the idea. And wherever the struggle points, wherever the holding points, wherever the support points also, it's explained very clearly in this each and every discussion. So it is a very healthy discussion for all traders. So any people having time, you please have you please read this all these messages, so you will be getting clear idea for each and every points, how to trade, where we need to having hold, where we need to think about like that, and all everything we was explained very clearly. So I was told to our friends, after seeing this levels, so the market will go and touch the black line. That means 530 is the first target, I was told to our people. But after we entering, the market moves in green side. So look at this candle, but we are not very bothered about that upside movement, because we know very well the market will not go upside. The main reason is the three main reasons are there for our entry. One is, the first point is market is at rejection line, so that is the very important point for us to entry. And the second point is, we can see the selling pressure in the market. Have you, if you are looking at the first candle, there were a big formed there, so that is the selling pressure came into the market. That's what we understood. And one more thing is, globally is not supported well. So these are the major three points for our entry. Today is a very good discussion. Today I'm in leave, so I can able to see the market, and I can explain each and every half an hour. We was discussed very clearly, and I explained to my friends, so that they can also understand the market, and where we need to react, where we need to we not need to worry about the market, like that all points we was discussed. So these are the some of the talks going on. Look at the circled area. So that is the selling pressure came into the market. After seeing the selling pressure, we entered in the red candle. So afterwards the market went in upside also. We not at all worry about that upside moment. Only the thing is we have to stick to our stop loss points. So whenever it hit the stop loss on breaks means, then we can close our trade. That's what we thinking and we was telling to all people. See, after seeing the green candle, the market went to 117 rupees and all. It our premium I bought at 140 rupees. It went to 117 rupees. Even we not closed our trade. We followed our trading disciplines. Once it breaks the level 35,780, then we can close, like that we was discussing. And with God's grace, the script is not went upside and it's not hit the stop loss line, but it gives very favor to us. Today we was having a very good trade, and all our people fetched a very decent profits. Here I cannot see all those message clearly, so I cannot read all those message. Please you can have a look in system so that you can read, because I'm using mobile for uh, speaking the videos, so I cannot see clearly, but you will be having very clear in the system. So if possible you can also have a look very clearly. So this time and all market is not at all moving. It is sleeping. It is not going upside, not going downside. It is doing its sleeping mode. So we was discuss that points also. After seeing the red candle, we was having much hope on that the trade. So definitely our trade will work out, like that we was thought. And the first target we was kept at 35 550 530. So definitely it will hit that target. That's what we thought, and we was holding our trade. Some of the peoples were entered late, some of the peoples were entered early, and the market starts moving in our direction. So we are having much hope and much confident on our trades. Definitely it will hit the target, like that we was thinking. Between that, a lot of talk was going on, but we was telling that the market will reach at least 400 points. That we bought at 140 rupees, but the market can reach even 400 also can possible, like that we was thinking. And we was holding our trade with tightly, and some of our people were asked for closing the trade, but we asked us to wait. And we was expecting the market will hit 35,530. So that's what the first instruction we was discussed, and all peoples believed me and they hoped with the trade. So thanks for our people whoever took the trade, our friend Varun, because Dakshana and Anil bro also have taken, I think so. And lot of people, Vaibhav, all peoples we took a very good trade, and we was fetched a decent profit. Bijil bro, and some of the discussions were going on in Hindi also, so I might not understand that one. Those points are all we talked later. So if you read the messages fully, you can understand also. The trade was pretty good, moving in our direction. So each and every time I was telling the people, we have to look for the candles in where we need to have a very closer look, where we need to okay, we can see, oh, fine, like that, where we need to think that point and all. I was explained very clearly, and wherever it's having buying pressure, that also I have mentioned. And what not to do, what can do, like that also I told to our people. And we are very strict about our stop loss. And after that, the script having a lot of selling pressure came into the market. See, we are having much confident on our trades. And I told that time minimum it will reach 300 points. uh, and our people's also, some of the people's also very happy. And between that we was discussed about investment instructions also. I bought two companies, that points also we was discussed here today itself. I recommended our people, can we can have a eye on Orissa mines and Prakash Industries also. So I bought also. So our people also having look on the trades between that we was doing the discussions also, and trade was moved nicely. After seeing the big selling pressure candles, we very very happy on our trades here. Whoever believed me and took the trade, I'm very much happy after seeing the good profits. So I'm thanks to our people and bank nifty also, so that also supported well. Even our predictions also quite good today. So after seeing this big red candle, we was having much hope, and the scripts moved towards our target line. So definitely, I felt that some of our people between that some of our people were asked, shall we book the profit, because they was seeing some good profits, so they asked like that. So I told that no, we can wait till our first target. Definitely, it will hit our target like that. I told to our people, and they believed me also. That is one of the important thing, and they holded me. So we booked all together. We booked a very very good profit, and normally I will make a video, will explain in details in the trading view window, but today some different approach I was done it, because we was having discussion each and every points. So I thought of sharing this to everyone, so that they can understand the trade, where to react, where not to react. So that's my intention of this video, to post it. And anybody interested to do trade with us, always you people are welcome to our the trading clan channel and trading clan family. We all already we are having some people in our family, so all together we are welcome you. We will learn together, we will earn together. This is not any paid service, this is just a free service. So whatever I'm knowing that I want to share with people, so that they can also earn. uh, so I want to build a good network, so that is my intention with good people. So all together we can grow, and we can support each other. So if we are having very good people in this trading discussion, so they can each will be having different ideas, so they can also will be giving their ideas, and we can grow together. That's what my intention. So I made this group, and it's a healthy group. We all people were discussed well, and all learned together. So new people who are watching this video can always welcome to our family. And if the video is interested, you can please support me by sharing the videos to your friends, and you can also trade with good trade and earn with good profits. So this is the point, that script has reached our exactly our level, and it's pull back. So that time we was booked our first trade. So summarizing of the first trade, we was bought the trade at 140 rupees, and we closed around 236 rupees. But the trade went to 660 rupees. That is a huge profit. But always we have to trade with our disciplines. So we booked the profit, and we know that the script is possible to move still in the downside. So again we was entered the bank nifty at 35,500 with the premium amount of 44 rupees. I entered 44 rupees. Some of our people were entered even 43 rupees, 42 rupees also, and some of our people not entered that time. They entered around 170 or 180 rupees, and even themselves also they have covered almost 100 points. Look at now, after reaching our target, the market is slightly moving upside. That time I was telling our people, the market can go either way. It can again it can go to the top, or oppositely it can make a one more big red candle, and it can touch the our target line. That's what we was discussed. And after seeing the small red candle, we entered again. We are having the very good opportunity. We felt that, and we entered the trade with 47 rupees. I was entered, and some people entered at some other prices. You can have a look at the discussions. You can come to know who are all entered at what price. We was discussed some of the trading tips that I want to share with you people also. So we want to grow not in a single trade. We want to grow with multiple trades together. We want to grow even even if we lose 10 trades also. If we should not bother like that. Our trade should be there. That's what I told to our people. Please don't put huge quantities in one trade. It may be positive or negative always. If the whole month, if we lose 10 trade also, the overall the profit, overall our trade should be in profit like that. The intention I told to our friends, and most of the people also followed that one, and we fetched a very good profits today. Here I am very much I want to thank to our people who are believed me and took the trade. So thanks for taking the trade. Our people, Anil boss, Bijol boss, and Daksana, and uh, Vaibhav, Varun, Vikas. So all we was traded well, and it was a very good day for us. If you are having time, please I request you all people to read each and every discussions. Some of the discussions might not be useful, just we talked about, and most of the discussions were very very important thing. Each and every candles we was discussed very well. Where to react, where not to react, like that we was discussed. See, look at this red candle. After seeing the very powerful candle, we was very very happy on the trade, and I ask our people to hold tightly. We will be having, we can fetch a very very good profit, like that we was told and we was discussed. Some of our people said they missed the trade today, but it is a nice trade, they said. And some of the people might don't have money. They are saying that maybe upcoming days I will try keeping the money, and we will trade together, like that they told. I was telling to them, they have asked for ideas, how much money I need to invest and how much money I need to use for trade, like that they was asking. I clearly told that please don't use, you can use 50 percentage of the money for one trade, and fetch some profits out of that. Use the money to adding your capital, and we can grow, we can keep growing our capital, like that we was discussed. And some of our people was not happy because they were not entered, and they asked me to can I enter now after rallying. So I said that please don't enter now, because already the market is getting rallied, so we might not get good profits. But if the market is not supported, we will be in huge loss. That's what I told to people. So they have understood also. Thanks for that. And hopefully in upcoming days they will be entering at the right place. The main thing is market, before market movement we should predict correctly and we should enter. So the our loss will be very very less. If it's not supported, our loss will be very very less. But if it is supported, we will be having very huge loss. And after movement, after market moved at some distance, if we enter means we have to pay big money also. So that's what I said to people, not to enter after rallying. But I ask, we can trade with some small quantities, like that I told to our friends. Might be they have taken the trades and they fetch the profits also. So the second trade we finished. We bought at 47 rupees, and we closed our trade around 260 rupees. It seems 260 rupees, but the trade went to even 360 rupees also. But that is fine. Anyway, all our people are fetched decent profits. Hopefully we can have a good day once again. After finishing our trades, people are very happy, and they are all very thanking to me, and they posted their trades also here. And what are the points we covered, that's what we posted here. We not need to share our the price. So all are very much happy, and they are thanking me. And guys, please please keep supporting me by boosting this kind of messages. So I will, because if I'm doing my own trade means I will not bother much. If I'm taking care of all people means I have to think one, not in once, I have to think 10 times before entering the trade, because I am responsible for you people are believing me, and I should give the proper response to all people. Because the money is involved, so we should not play like a child. We should always taking care all our belongings. So hopefully I will try to do my best in the upcoming days also. uh, but nothing is in our hand. No one cannot even no one cannot predict 100% the market directions. We will try to predict the maximum, and we grow together. That's what our intention. Once again, I am inviting you all people to have a look on our trading week channel. So from the past 10 to 15 days we was trading in bank nifty and nifties, and all trades almost 95% of our trades were success. And maybe in peoples can join, any peoples can join with our trades. It's a very very free of cost. It's just a free service to all one. So please utilize and grow together. We will build a very 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 good healthy network, and we can share our ideas. uh, if these videos are very boring to you and not interesting, I am very much asking sorry for the thing. And thanks for watching the video. I will see in the some other videos. Please do like, share and subscribe. Please don't forget to click the bell icon for further notification. Thanks for watching. Grow with us.